What if I told you that with just a few cheap electronic components, you can build a bike security alarm that keeps screaming even after the thief lets go? Sounds impossible, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how this clever circuit works, how the BC547 transistor and BT136 triac make it possible, and why this simple design can help protect your motorcycle from theft. Let's get started. Here's how it works step by step. 1. Power supply. The 12 volts bike battery powers the entire circuit. The buzzer is connected to the battery through the BT136 triac. 2. Normal condition. When nobody touches the bike, the BC547 transistor is off. Since the BC547 is off, no gate current reaches the BT136 triac. The triac remains off, so the buzzer is silent. 3. When someone touches the bike body is connected to the base of the BC547. When a person touches the bike, the small electrical signal naturally present on the human body provides a tiny current to the transistor. This tiny current turns the BC547 on. 4. Triac triggering. Once the BC547 turns on, it supplies gate current to the BT136 through the blue wire. The BT136 triac switches on. 5. Alarm sounds. The triac now completes the circuit for the buzzer. The buzzer receives the full 12-volt supply and starts sounding loudly. 6. Latching action. The BT136 remains on even after the person removes their hand. Therefore, the alarm continues to sound until it is manually reset. 7. Reset switch. Pressing the reset switch interrupts the current flowing through the triac. Once the current drops below the holding current, the triac turns off. The buzzer stops, and the circuit is ready for the next trigger. Summary. Bike touched and BC547 detects the touch. BC547 turns on and triggers the BT136 triac. BT136 latches on and powers the buzzer continuously. Press reset switch and triac turns off and the alarm stops. This design is simple, uses very few components, and is effective as a basic anti-theft alarm because even a brief touch can trigger a continuous alarm until the owner resets it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.